Hello all, welcome to Groval Euler Sales University. This effort is dedicated toward building the capabilities and success of passionate salespeople. So the purpose of Groval Euler Sales University is to enable the capabilities of sincere sales professionals in this competitive and constantly evolving world. You all know that future readiness of people is a crucial priority nowadays, both for the individuals and the organizations. Hence, alignment to local and global opportunities is crucial for professionals in this highly interconnected world. The core objective of Groval Euler Sales University is to upskill passionate salespeople to build better levels of success. This would help the sales professionals to influence their businesses and also influence the ecosystem in which they are working. Groval Euler Sales University focuses on building revenue generation capabilities of the individuals and organizations. And we do this by honing people management capabilities, enabling the leadership to go to the next level, building cross-functional synergies, and also shaping the customer acquisition processes and account management processes. So our coaching topics and modules are like impactful prospect management. This helps the folks to take their customer base to the next level. Pipeline management, which helps in the overall business performance. Also, some of the engagements on strategic accounts and managing key accounts. Handling internal and external challenges while we are trying to grow the accounts, consultative selling, and a host of them. Most of the topics are customized to the individual requirements. We do a thorough research to see that people get what they need and the topics and conversations are related to their priorities. To know more about our offerings, do visit our webpage. You'll find the link in the description below.